Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access gestures. After that, click on one-handed mode. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then tap on Got It in the pop-up and make sure that full screen into reach is applied. Then to access one-handed mode, just click on this shortcut. As you can see, now it's on. If you wish to go back, tap over here or swipe up. You can even hold your shortcut and move it around. Then place it wherever you wish to. In order to turn it off completely, access the same settings and tap on Now Blue switcher. If you are using gesture navigation though, you can also tap on this switcher next to Use One-Handed mode if it's not already on. Tap on Full Screen into Reach and then scroll down from the bottom of your screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back by tapping over here or swiping. If you wish to disable it completely, tap on the same Now Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!